हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी व्हाट इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। वी नो इन ईच ट्रायंगल देर आर थ्री एंगल्स, एंड इफ one of these three angles is right angle and other two angles are acute angles, then the triangle is known as right angled triangle. In figure, this is triangle ABC and angle B is right angle. Right angle का measurement होता है 90 डिग्री, therefore angle B is equal to 90 डिग्री। और acute angles के measurements होते हैं less than 90 डिग्री, therefore angle A is less than 90 and angle C is also less than 90 degree. And in right angle triangle, the acute angles are complementary to each other. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. And the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse.